So last week I said that the dollar index is gonna lose some strength and then it's gonna regain some strength. So I advised a lot of people to simply deposit because it's gonna be much more cheaper, and they are going to make money without even trading. So when the dollar index is gaining strength, so that has played out very well. So now, for people who have made money from not even investing and they are looking to invest, so here's some opportunity that has just presented itself. So let me just go back to your dollar index to show you that it has played out correctly. So right there, it has played out correctly. So we are expecting as soon as we close over this price, 95,573, 95, Lucy, no, 95,573. As soon as we close above that in less than an hour, once we close above that, we know that everything has been confirmed, that the dollar index is now gaining strength. So we are looking for long opportunities. We're looking for long opportunities. So I'm gonna go straight to USD. I'm looking to buy here. As soon as I close above 15 rand, 52 cents, as soon as I close above there, I'm looking to go long up to this highest point. Up to this highest point. So let me just take this, since this is that. Okay. From this lowest point to that highest point, that's where I will be looking to take my profits. As soon as I close above 15,52, I'm gonna take my profits at 16 rand. So if you invest if you have like 1,000 rand and you invest 100 rand, that is 100 pips, that is 80 pips. That means you're gonna be making 800, I think. Yeah, so it's 52 minus 16, minus 1600. That will be 15,52 minus 16,00. That will be like, the difference is 8. So you're gonna make 800% out of this one. There's no need to risk all of your account. Just risk only 10%. It's gonna make you 80% returns. So I will be looking also to buy USD JPY. Stop it. Hey, stop it. I will be looking to buy USD JPY. Plus I think it's at the right area here. I'm looking to buy this one here. Looking to buy, hoping that it's gonna continue going high. So let me just quickly check the trend here. Just gonna quickly check the trend. Okay, yeah, so I'm looking to buy this one. Since it went down here, I'm hoping that it's gonna get to that highest point. So that is USD JPY, United States dollar versus Japanese yuan. On gold, I'm looking to go short. Gold, I'm looking to go short. We should be looking for selling opportunities. So this is what we call it's a bearish flag. This one here is a bearish flag. So this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting the market to drop significantly, probably with the same amount that it has already done above there. So let me just change this to show that it represents buyers and then this one represents sellers. So the same length that we got from here, when this was dropping, we're gonna get the exact same thing down below this lowest point here. So we are looking to go short on this one. We are looking to go short on this one. So let me just check something quickly. I want to check something. Okay, yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense. It's gonna come to this area. It makes sense. There's a lot of volatility. This is a sensitive area. Yeah, it is coming to this area here. So yeah, that's what I'm looking to do for the day. And also I'm also seeing another huge bearish flag here. So let me just check something. Probably it's not even complete. Probably it's not even complete. So I'm just gonna check. Probably it's not even complete. So I'm gonna take this to here, then copy that and say up, down to that lowest point. Okay, yeah, it shows that there was a trend going on. So this is trend within trends. We are having two trends in one single pair. This is gold, né? So we are looking to go short on gold.